Hello guys, I hope you all are doing fine. So as we promised last Saturday that we are gonna come live today with there's a question like why did I say we? So because it is hashtag Superphysios is live. So today live is gonna be like special, fun, super fun, then like fully filled with knowledge. So without delaying, first let me add the super physios for today. Let's see any guesses who is gonna be super physios. Any guesses by the time they are joining? So here are our super physios, Dr. Pallavi ma'am and Dr. Prem sir.
Hello.
So
Hello,
hello sir, hello ma'am, how are you all?
We are
how are
good.
you
How are
doing?
you?
I'm fine.
I'm doing good. How are you, sir?
Good, good. Neha, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. So today's lab gonna be special. And firstly, let me introduce the topic. So today's topic is gonna be scope on the scope of physiotherapy. So before starting the live, can you guys give your short introduction? Let's start with Prem, sir.
Hello, everyone. I am Prem Shah, and my portal is Physiotrends, as you all can see. And I am an associate professor in Vikas College of Physiotherapy. So I have more of academic background. And now to Pallavi ma'am.
Okay, so hi guys, I am Dr. Pallavi Surjee here, and I am, as you all know me as Neuro Girl, I am a neurophysiotherapist, and I belong to a Bombay background. I am a clinical therapist, so I don't belong to academic area like how Prem goes, but I belong to a clinical background, and I practice freelancing as well as I am associated with a OPD called as House of Cure, and I'm also an aquatic therapist. So that is my overall background with 6 to 7 years of experience in this field as a therapist.
दैट्स सो
So
गुड टू
yeah,
नो अबाउट यू गाइस सो जैसे कि आज का टॉपिक स्कोप ऑफ फिजियोथेरेपी है हम सब ने खाली ये सुना है कि फिजियोथेरेपी का स्कोप इधर इट्स क्लिनिकल और जस्ट एकेडमिक सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग टू दैट लाइक कैन यू गाइस टेल मी लाइक व्हाई शुड वन लाइक चूज फिजियोथेरेपी सो प्रेम सर क्या आप बता सकते हो करके क्या एक किसी स्टूडेंट को फिजियोथेरेपी क्यों चूज करना चाहिए
वेल इस पे एक काउंटर क्वेश्चन हो सकता है कि क्यों ना करें.
exactly.
या दैट इज आल्सो अ गुड आइडिया
Yes, because like we are healthcare providers, we are healthcare professionals. Our profession is such a way that we are treating patients of different conditions in different fields. That too, like without any medicines. I'm not saying like we are against medicines, but it is like the natural way of our body which we work on, like movements, like how our human body is developed to work on that particular concept we physios are working, and that is the demand of like we can say future, because right now we can see there are so many problems because of the lifestyle of people. And what
yes
lifestyle of people they are living is like mostly they are let's say lethargic, sedentary, or like lots so many people with posture deformity, so many people with abnormal gait, so many people with they don't know how to work, how to like perform their daily activities. And we physios are the correct people to diagnose all those things, as well as to correct their problems, as well as to train them for the longer period of time, and that too without any side effects. So I feel that is why this is a great profession, that anybody who's interested in like serving humanity, serving in healthcare industry, they should definitely go for physiotherapy profession.
Pallavi
Yeah,
ma'am was
I agree with you because there are so many. When I joined physiotherapy in 2007, I would say I just knew that the physiotherapy happens for orthopedic condition or, basically for post-traumatic or fracture cases. But now I see plethora of condition where physiotherapy is needed, and there is an awareness amongst the lay people that I have this issue, I can go to a physio. So there is going to be demand for all these things in the future. And if people don't choose this profession, the load is going to come on to us. So I feel that, all the people who are maybe watching this or whoever relatives are there, they should understand that, this demand supply is going to increase in the
Yes.
coming future, because I have seen a complete change in my profession in past 8 years. I have seen the demand increasing. I have seen people are choosing, to go to physio voluntarily, at least whoever I have seen in my clinical picture. So demand is going to be more and more here onwards. And as he said that, we change the quality of life. We are the movement experts, and none of the other medical profession can do that. It's only our job where, we are actually dealing with the quality of life of patient. So we are there for the rehabilitation of everything. So I think that is the reason the scope of physiotherapy is going to be more and more in the future. So, as he said, that why we should not choose. That is the whole
Yes.
reason I think everybody should be choosing this profession, because we definitely need more physios, coming and maybe reducing our load and our burnout.
Right.
So, sir, I have a question for you. Like, क्या क्या हम लोग बीपीटी एंड एमपीटी के बाद कर सकते हैं?
Just a minute. I'm sorry to interrupt you, Neha, but I think Waqar sir wants to say something. Hello, Waqar sir.
Yeah,
Sorry, we
Vakasa is
saw your
saying knock
message
knock.
before also. Yeah.
Yeah, he's saying knock knock. He's also written
Yes,
it's a
yes, yes.
weekend party.
And sir, we are sorry that
He's
you
also
are
written
not.
that.
Yeah, you can join, sir, definitely, but like just give us some time, then we will add you also so that you can put your inputs in this.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
will be it
because I
will be a
feel like
nice idea to join him later on. So you can join us later on and put your insights, and maybe you can put. I mean, you can correct us if we are going. Our
Yes.
point of views are wrong,
No, I think
yeah,
then
I will be happy to talk to him and know about him and many more
yes.
things.
If
because
there are
he's
so many
actually a
things.
super physio. He's actually a super physio.
Right, 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 right.
Wow.
I'm sorry, Neha, you can continue. You
Yeah,
were
Mia, you
asking.
can continue. Yeah.
Yeah. So the question was like, what all things we can do after BPT and MPT?
Well, there are so many things we can do after BPT as well as after MPT. Let's talk first about BPT. So BPT, as we have general idea about all the physiotherapy subjects, like let's say starting from anatomy, physiology, exercise, electro, biomechanics, and all the basic PT subjects and everything, we can start working in a clinical area. First of all, I'm not saying working, I will say practicing, because I have seen frustration of people, like after completing BPD they want, like immediately they want to earn money without like practicing or learning the way you
True.
should behave with patient, how you should approach to patient, how you should answer your patients, how you should evaluate patient. So first thing what I advise is during your internship time, which already we have to do 6 months, in that period of time you start to learn like what all are, or yeah, like what all are your strong points, what all are your weak points. Work on that in the internship and identify them. Once you identify them, you will see that okay, you can work in particular this side of clinic, like let's say in a clinic where more of orthopedic condition patients comes, or clinics where pediatric patient comes, or clinics where neurological conditions patients comes. So that way you will identify yourself. You practice over there under the observation of some senior physiotherapist who is really skilled in that, so that you can develop your skills. Once you are confident that okay, now you are ready to work on yourself, you can work by yourself, you go and attend patients like independently, learn all those things. Again, keep learning is obviously that will be there, but again, like whatever you've learned, apply that on the patients, and you can continue your career as a clinical physiotherapist. That is the option after BPT. Okay, there are other options also which people choose, that they go for foreign country master's course and all that. We are not talking right now about it. We are just mostly talking about the scope of physiotherapy. The
Yeah.
second thing is okay, what to do after MPT.
Yeah.
So one more thing after BPT is doing MPT. MPT you can do only when you are really interested in going depth of that subject, because we know that there are so many specialties in masters, like orthopedics, neuro, pediatrics, community, then Yes, many things are like women's health. So many things are there. So you first identify where you are interested, then go for the detailed study of that. And after MPT, you have scope again in clinical area as well as in the academic section. Okay, so clinical area, why? Because you have now in-depth knowledge about those conditions. So you can
Yeah.
like you have experience as well as you have in-depth knowledge. So you will be able to identify, diagnose the conditions quickly as well as you will be able to give perfect rehabilitation for your patients. So that is like I feel that is the advantage of doing MPT if you are going to go for the clinical work. Again, academics, why? Because in MPT, you also get to learn UG teaching as well as you get to do all the research activities, you get to do all the journal reviews, then research analysis, everything. So because of that, your teaching skills also develops. And after that, if you feel that you are good at teaching, you have understood the concepts, and also you want to give it forward to like other like newbie physios, and you want to motivate them, then definitely academics is the line that where you can go. Okay, and after MPT also there are various lines you can go, like you can start up your own clinic, or again foreign country is another option. So these are the things that we all can do after physiotherapy. Okay, and different fields. Like I'm just talking about generalized physiotherapy, but if you go different fields, then see, like right now because of COVID, cardiorespiratory physiotherapists are in high demand in hospitals.
Yeah.
Okay, same way like neurological physiotherapists, neurophysiotherapists also in high demand. It's like COVID just came, but stroke patients, paralysis patients are since long time. So they also require good physios. So
Yeah.
that way also you can work. Again, like women's health right now, antenatal postnatal physiotherapy is so popular. Okay, so all these fields are there. Apart from there is one more field where I think physios can be fitted. I don't know about like everybody will agree or not, but I think even in field of fitness, physios are a good fit. Why? Because we have basic knowledge of anatomy, physiology, and if you want to learn something scientifically, like it's not that all the bodybuilders or let's say all the calisthenic players, it's not like they can work with the only help of coaches or like athletic population. They cannot only work with the coaches. Even physios are very important part in that. So to improve your fitness, to eliminate all the injuries and all, also in that field also we physios have a very good opportunity, I feel, if you are interested in that also.
Yeah.
Okay,
So,
Neha, I think I'll just interrupt you. I mean, our whatever discussion we are going doing, Vakasa really wants to join because in the comments he's saying that he's got some inputs to give. So can you just add him so that
Yes, yes,
we'll
yes,
finish with
you can
his.
add, sir, we can add.
He might have any other
yeah,
plan
I'll
later on.
submit
So
his
just
request.
yeah,
Should I
just
send the
get him
like
in the
you
live.
will be able to send request?
It is showing that only three guests can be okay.
Okay.
He is
What's up,
there.
sir?
Hi, good
Hi.
evening.
Hi guys. Good
Hello,
evening.
sir.
How are you guys?
How are
We
you,
are
So
good.
sir?
How
We
guys,
all
about
are
you?
good.
yeah, I'm absolutely good. I was actually driving and I was watching like you people are live and discussion is going on physiotherapy. So it's like okay, let's like be
So then the thing is, every Saturday we are going to come live to discuss physiotherapy.
Sir,
Pallavi,
this
no
is
one
going to be
invited
every
me.
Saturday.
Prem, no one invited me. So I like oh man, okay, it's fine. How are you guys?
Sir, you are always invited. I
You
don't have
don't
to
need
You
invite
are
you.
always
invitation, sir.
invited.
Yeah.
No, 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 no. You don't need invitation for anything.
I feel so happy and it is like a blessing in disguise. Like before some minutes, I was talking with Dr. Priyanka Bangre of Lead Physio. There are certain more issue apart from this, which
Okay.
actually we need to highlight. This like I can put up in this since you were discussing about uh, clinical therapist and after graduation and all. I don't know much about physiotherapy, but I can at least highlight some of the point I know.
Okay.
So, first of all, there is
That's the
nothing
joke
such
of the
as
millennium. That's the joke of the millennium that Dr. Vakar
okay.
is saying that he doesn't know about physiotherapy. Okay,
Okay,
we
so the
agree.
thing,
We agree.
No, that's
so there
sarcasm.
are, yeah, thank you. Prem knows me very well. He spent 4 days with me in Bangalore. So the thing is that there are some serious issues which even we need to delve and dig out of is like there is nothing such as a clinical physiotherapist. What do you mean by clinical physiotherapist? The person who practice. Then what is a physiotherapist?
everybody is a clinical physio, no?
Exactly.
Everybody is doing it.
Exactly.
Everybody
It's
is
the
doing
same
it.
thing, sir.
So there is no need to put up that tag as a clinical physiotherapist. And the one issue which I was talking about, I was talking with Priyanka, is people are using freelancers, which is a very wrong word to attach
I
as
use
a
that.
physio.
Yeah, I use
No,
that.
no, you
Because,
have to use consultant. You cannot use freelancer.
correct,
Freelancer is a
correct.
person who is not dedicated to physiotherapy, who is doing the work for some time, and there is no consistency. You won't see a freelancer word, a person with a medical sciences or a dental sciences or any
Right.
other
That's
healthcare
actually a
profession.
good point. That's actually a
Yeah,
great point.
that I wanted to highlight actually now. We have to use consultant physiotherapists. Even if you're practicing as a physio into the market, it has to be consultant physiotherapist, like consultant orthopedist, consultant dentist. It has to be consultant physiotherapist. There should not be anything like clinical physiotherapist or a freelancer. It actually degrade our value into the profession. This is what the
I
other
have a
people say.
question. I have a question for this, sir. Since you
Yeah.
have put up the point, is there any criteria that, or a year of experience after which you can call yourself a consultant, or you can do it
What
like right away after the MPT,
Pallavi?
or like without any experience?
Tell me one thing. What do you mean by consultant by the definition?
The one who consults.
That's it.
Yeah.
You're a graduate, you're consulting. Even if you're going to hospital or OPD, you can write as a locum physiotherapist. You can write as a consultant physiotherapist. But putting up
Okay,
a freelancer, putting up as a clinical therapist, it is making the things not in a very standardized way. This is the
correct.
thing. So that's
Okay.
why even I was about to call Sudeep, and maybe tomorrow morning we will be having call, and we want to have a nationwide survey about what the physios think about being a freelancer. Because हमने पता है प्रियंका ने पल्लवी क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा पब्लिक से व्हाट डू यू राइट कंसल्टेंट और अ फ्रीलांसर एंड दे सेड फ्रीलांसर तो उन्होंने पूछा
No,
अगर
I
आपके
don't
घर
write
का लिसन
freelancer.
लिसन 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 एंड उन्होंने पूछा प्रियंका ने कि अगर आपके घर में किसी को फिजियो लगेगा तो आप फ्रीलांसर से ट्रीट कराओगे या कंसल्टेंट से तो बोले कंसल्टेंट से
Consultant.
Exactly.
Are you getting the point? Are you getting the point? It's all
Yes,
about the
yes.
wordplay.
Right.
And even she told one more thing, like physios are very much attracted to very much aesthetic word. Even Prem might be remember, we covered that thing into the interview, my interview like with Prem in November. Like we are very much, affiliated with the very fancy word. अगर हमको नया word मिला ना chiro practitioner, we will buy it. Even if we are getting something like dry cupping, we are going to buy it. Even if it is dry needling, we are going to buy it. बस उसको fancy लगा के चाहिए हमको. That is actually not going into a proper way.
Right.
And what we think we should be having the same respect. We should be having the same respect as a medical professional, but we are not using their protocols. Whenever we tell a patient like we are a clinical physiotherapist or we are a freelancer, they think, okay, naya hai koi. You are
Naya.
getting my
But
point?
just a counter question, because I am into a clinical practice.
Yeah.
I'm not an academician. I'm not an academician
Yes.
or a researcher.
Yep.
Per se, like you and Prema. Sometimes, I don't know if therapists are using this as a terminology in front of the patients,
They
because
are.
I am not using this as a, when someone is asking me, suppose any patient is asking me that what do you do, so I say that I provide home based rehabilitation.
Mm-hmm.
That's the word I use sometimes, that I don't say I am a freelancer to my patients.
True.
Okay,
True.
I say I provide home based rehabilitation to people who cannot go out, and who cannot, or maybe who are disabled or differently able. So,
True.
are there any physiotherapists who are using this in front of the patients? Like they are saying
There
freelancer.
are. Exactly. So that's the thing. Me and Priyanka, we were discussing 15-20 minutes before. Like we need to have a small survey, and then we have to write up a paper with the council so that even the physios are aware. Prem, you remember in the interview there was one thing like the physios are not aware of the physiotherapy. We are asking about the
Yes, sir.
patient, but
Yes,
the
sir. We have
physios
to
are
go in
itself.
history, you
Yes,
said.
yes.
Yes.
Exactly. So the physios are itself, they are not aware like which terminology they should use, what protocols they have to follow. Ask about the patient ethics to any physio and
So
see
now
what
I
they
have
say.
one question that you are saying
Yep.
that we should write it to the council. Which council we will write?
See. It is all respective. I agree, Prem. I agree to your part, but I'll be a positive note. I'll keep a positive note since we are having now. We are getting up a central council, and we are having some good people who will be definitely into the central council. Even one thing, there is a one norm in government of India. If any one of the council adopts something, it is very easy for that rule to be adopted by the other council or the central council. There has to
Yes.
be one step. There
There
has
has
to
to
be
be
one
Correct.
step, right?
3 state council, and then we can directly adapt it to the central council. That is what
अरे
now
यार
I
वो
Correct.
know
सब भी
about.
छोड़ो लेकिन but even if we make aware physiotherapists about what terminology they have to use, what protocol they have to follow,
Thank you for coming live and just enlightening us
The,
with this.
the sir,
thank
I
you.
am going to be
honestly,
extremely careful with whatever terminologies I am going to use.
One more
So
suggestion for the viewers who are listening here, Prem. Like we have seen lot of physio whenever they are completing their bachelor's or master's, they are going to hospital for job. Don't go like that with your CV. Get a visiting card and write consultant physiotherapist and
correct,
go there with your visiting
correct.
card, not with your CV.
true.
In CV, there is a question, some question out there. क्या लिखा है डॉक्टर अंकित सर आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन अब तेरे में जिनको pranic healing अरे यार बहुत सारे नए नए टेक्निक्स है we can even dug up into Arabia, we can go Korea, we can put out there some healing technique. Man, you know one thing, in physiotherapy, there are a lot of things to do in exercise therapy and electrotherapy. We are not looking at our house, but we are looking outside with the fancy word. देखा ना अभी pranic healing भी आ गया, कल प्रेमिक healing आ जाएगा, फिर पल्लविक healing आ जाएगा, फिर ब्राह्मणिक healing आ जाएगा, फिर वकारिक healing आ जाएगा. We can put up anything like that, man. It is all about old wine in a new bottle. That's it.
Right. It's all about evidence.
Yes, exactly. So the thing is, physio should understand the value of profession, and we should have a common protocol and awareness to the physio, like which terminology they should use. Whenever they are going for a job, they are looking for a job. Don't take out your CV. Just make a visiting card as a consultant physiotherapist. और जाके बोलो कि हमारे लायक कोई सेवा हो तो बताओ. Be like that.
Right.
Don't be
So why don't you
overconfident.
make a course on this? Why don't you make a course on this and
There,
So the
sell it?
problem is,
there is a course, Priyanka. If you Google up a lead physio, she is doing that courses about the
I know
patient
I've
value
seen
profile.
one of her
Yes,
advertisement on Facebook, I
yes,
think. She's doing this educator kind of a course.
exactly. That are for the clinical physios to understand the
Yeah,
profession, to understand how to talk with the patient communication skill, ethics, business marketing. She is actually teaching what things are needed.
yeah.
So we
right,
should be something. ये BA पास करते कुछ क्वेश्चन आया प्रेम क्या है क्वेश्चन जरा देखो बोला
sir. Question नहीं है सर, लिखा है best live ever. Glad to see Waqar sir.
नहीं उसके ऊपर कुछ क्वेश्चन आया है
Sir, I can't slide like up. I think Neha will be the right one.
Okay, wait, I'm doing it.
एक क्वेश्चन आया था कुछ
मुझे जानना है कि हम ये इलीगल थेरेपिस्ट जो 12th या बीए पास करते हैं इसको हम कैसे रोक सकते हैं वकार सर यू नीड टू आंसर दिस
I am doing it. See, I'll tell you one thing, but I wish nobody should be offended and nobody should take my words in a wrong way. I am being very much practical in here, being a physiotherapist. What I wish कि अगर आप मुझे बताओ कि एक मेडिकल वाला ग्रेजुएट जब बाहर निकलता है तो उसका एटीट्यूड क्या रहता है और एक फिजियो निकलता है उसका एटीट्यूड क्या रहता है पेशेंट के सामने पहला ये क्वेश्चन आंसर करो
there is a huge difference in the confidence levels also like
Exactly.
we ourselves we degrade it so much we don't have the
Here
confidence
you
to
go,
talk
Pallavi.
and
If we take out our profession to a level, nobody is going to go for the quacks. आजकल लोग बाकी जो नीम हकीम के पास नहीं जाते, they prefer MBBS because they are making up that standard. First of all, our physios need to build up that standard about the confidence,
absolutely
about the ethics, about the
the
professionalism.
overall body language I would say yes
I'll tell again, if you Prem, remember that thing from Mangalore, like the physiotherapist should aware of the physiotherapy first. Physios
Right, sir.
don't know the definition of physiotherapy and they say like the patient को physiotherapy लोगों को physiotherapy पता नहीं है यार physio को ही नहीं पता है आप कहाँ बोल रहे हो patient की बात
But sir, the thing is, we all know that like it seems a long time, and there is one more concern that all the senior people who are sitting up there, they are not really helping us to create the right awareness.
प्रेम चलो ठीक है, let's not go on to that कि कौन क्या कर रहा था. We have social media now, we can put up
Yeah,
some
so
That is
videos
why we have started.
about
We have taken
awareness.
this
Yes,
initiative
yes.
for the same reason, sir.
Yeah,
That
no,
we
there
want to
should be,
build
you
up
should,
that
you
confidence in physios.
see, you should. I feel I have suggestion for you. Your channel should have a special day and section for awareness for physiotherapy for the physiotherapist, where you can have good people who can tell about the physiotherapy, about how it is going on, rather than having a confusion. I think before that there was no social media, तो काफी सारे लोगों को ये भी था कि how we are going to penetrate to
True.
lot of masses, right? So, but I feel
Yes.
if physios, if the juniors, or if the students, they understand what physiotherapy is about and how to deal with it right from their final year and internship, it's going to be a very much helpful thing whenever they are coming out into a profession.
true.
Yes, definitely. And that's the main concept, sir. We have started, we have taken this initiative together. Like one
It's nice,
person,
very nice.
yes, so like let's do it together.
So I
Otherwise
think
we'll
we should add Waqar sir in the WhatsApp group also. If he's going to reply, if he's going to
Sir, you can
reply,
join us every
that's
Saturday
my.
now with different
Yeah, you
What?
can
topics.
join every Saturday because every Saturday there will be a different topic, and
Right.
not
Sure.
same people. Obviously, we will be
And
having
I think
different
people
people to
will love
talk
it, sir.
about.
Everybody,
Sure.
it will be inspiration for all the young physios that, okay, there is somebody to guide us well. And I think that will be a very plus point. Like as you were saying, we need to create the right awareness for this.
Wow, I got a job. Prem is offering me co-moderatorship in.
Yeah, but I'm not going to
Yeah,
pay
just
anything,
joking.
sir.
I know. No, we will have it in Bangalore. We will see how this weekend we are going to pay it
Then
up,
it's
right?
fine. That's fine.
Yeah, that's true.
Waqar sir knows how to monetize things, so don't worry about that. He will
Yeah,
monetize everything, every penny what he's talking. He will be definitely, back of the mind. He'll make a plan and he'll monetize it.
he's Gujarati. Don't forget that. Okay. Okay. One more thing. One
Don't
more issue
underestimate the
and
power
for
of
this.
Guju.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm married to one, so it's okay.
There is one more question about the workshops of the people taking it and about the creditability. I do understand, even I have put up this point in lot of different conferences and the workshop I have already hosted, or I was a resource person. Nowadays, it is happening. It's the irony of our profession. Like anybody is getting up and taking workshop just to make or mint the money. But the thing is that the one way to understand this system is there is two things in this. One thing is CPE and one thing is CPD. It is continuing professional education, and second thing is continuing professional development. So whenever there is a workshop which is related with the syllabus, it comes into CPE. Whenever it is something which is telling you some higher advanced technique, it comes into CPD. So the students should understand, is it really worthful? और जो syllabus में हो चुका है, you don't need to take that workshop because it has been already completed. अगर आपको किसी ने बोलता है for example कि ये certification दे रहा हूँ मैं, भाई जब syllabus में काम करके डिग्री लेके बैठे हो तो सर्टिफिकेट का क्या करने वाले हो आप? It is
But there are
सर
people
अगर
who are
उनको
who are
कॉलेज में
taking.
समझ नहीं आया हो तो
अरे यार अब और किससे इजीली बोले हम लोग यार भाई ज्यादा पैसा है तो टेक आवर नंबर सेंड अस गूगल पे
No, but there
नो
are people who
प्रॉब्लम
are
इन दैट
minting monies on the workshops like gluteal amnesia. There are
या
people who are minting money on the workshops like gluteal amnesia.
I Pallavi, I cannot take the name. I am seeing this thing from years, and
Yes,
I
I
know
also cannot
people.
take the name,
I
and I have
I
I have fan following of that person. I know the
I'm
fan
telling you,
following of that person.
I have assisted them for getting the educational resources. Now they are the resource person. But I'm not going to say on that. But the student should understand why you are paying up that money for the certification courses. I will suggest the physios should go with the value-added courses. They should go with the PD diploma. They should go with the courses from the institute and the organization rather than the private person. अभी मैंने जैसे
राइट
अभी इन्होंने बोला प्लानिंग हीलिंग, मैंने एक नया वर्ड ला लूंगा टायरिक हीलिंग, और मैं अभी अपनी एकेडमी खोल लूंगा और मैं 7 दिन का कोई कोरिया से एक नया सर्टिफिकेशन चला लूंगा. पब्लिक आर गोइंग टू बाय इट फॉर 10,000 bucks, which is of no use,
डेफिनेटली
right?
लोग
So
लोग
these
लेंगे सर
people buy anything, man.
You should have the convincing power, right, to talk
Yeah,
and then.
Pallavi, dry needling was acupuncture. Cupping was hijama.
Don't start even that topic because I get very very angry with those two
सर उसके
terms.
लिए अलग से
I
हम पता है
cannot
कि
tell you.
रखेंगे अपन
एक
डिस्कशन के लिए.
एक पूरा एक टॉपिक
Okay, okay,
रखेंगे
okay.
जिसपे we
Wait.
can talk about.
Something is coming. Something is coming for Saturday. Chiropractic, osteopathy और क्या था नीचे और एक लिखा था जरा पढ़ो नीचे क्या लिखा है वो?
etc. worth it. Dry needling, everything, is it worth
Okay,
it?
chiropractic.
Yeah, so that should be the next topic.
Listen, chiropractic in Hindi means hard Ved. You are a bone setter.
Right. Right, exactly, that's true.
So if these physio understand the physiotherapist, the profession, it came from the Second World War. It started from the Second World War, from the nurses. I have my paper published in 2009 on current concept in physiotherapy, in which it is clearly written, like we came from the field of the massagers and the nurses. Then about after evidence-based practice, we emerged as a physio. In 1950s, we came to India. We started a physio. But ये बोलते वापस जाओ, वापस मसाजर बनो,
वापस हार्डवेयर बनो.
मतलब go man, come on.
So like I remember in 2010 I used to tell people that we physiotherapists are not hard weights, we are physiotherapists. And now again people want to learn chiropractic to become again like hard weights.
Yeah, listen. Prem, I have one more thing. The guy who's running that doctorate of chiropractic program, I know him from 10 years when I was in Canada, and he has registered his academy in Spain. And people are doing, you know what, I am doing PhD in chiropractic. That's it. Man. हमारे नागपुर में बंडू हार्डवेयर है, उसको पीएचडी की जरूरत नहीं है. He is a bone setter. I'll show you the picture also of him someday. So there is no need for that, man. Come on. People are getting misguided rather than people for the master's program. There are certain good master's program like anatomy. They should go with it. They should go with the evidence-based practices. They should go with the proper courses, value-added courses, PG diploma courses from the institutions which are having the actual authenticity. No one can have that authority to open an academy और एक सर्टिफिकेट दे दिया. अरे यार पेशेंट को फिजियोथेरेपी नहीं पता तो तुमसे क्या मोबिलाइजेशन का सर्टिफिकेट मांग के 50 रुपए ऊपर देगा क्या? No. Pallavi, I am not wrong, right? In this, nobody is going to.
You are not wrong at all. You were a pleasant surprise in this live to all the viewers because we were talking like very seriously. We were, we were just very serious.
मेहरबानी करके हमारे व्यूअर्स ये सब सुन के डिप्रेस ना हो.
Be positive.
Yeah, there are good things about our profession. Yeah, malpractice is there in every profession. Okay, it's not the first profession where malpractice is there.
Arvind का पेट दुख गया. Arvind बोलता है बस करो भाई. Arvind भाई सोचते नहीं आगे हम टेंशन मत लो.
No, but it's good to have you, sir, here, and you spoke about so many good points. And I think the next topic for the Saturday Live should be about these workshops and webinars and whatever we are.
We can have one thing. We can have a proper session for the undergraduate students about the awareness of physiotherapists. Okay, there's one question.
Definitely, sir.
Question. We are not doctors. We are therapists according to MBBS. Okay, guy. Last answer I would love to give it. About the doctor thing, right? I don't remember the name of the person. Hi Ayush, I got your message. Okay, so the question was about doctors and the thing. India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. These are the only 4 countries who write doctors in front of them as a physio. There is no need to write doctors. It's just a satisfaction. Come over it. Come over that thing. Make yourself a brand. Don't be just adhered. They are just adhered कि हम डॉक्टर रहेंगे तो हमारी इज्जत रहेगी. No, ऐसा नहीं है. I am working in a medical college now. I am not into academics. I am not into clinical. But I am into certain place where medical doctors come to my office. So don't work on that doctor thing. It's not going to help you out. Even if you're going to US, UK and everywhere, nobody is going to write doctor. It's just the ego. It's just a self-satisfaction. डॉक्टर लिखने से हम बड़े हो जाएंगे और हमको पेशेंट 50 रुपए ज्यादा देगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता.
सर अब ये फिर से जाता है हिस्ट्री में कि जब मतलब ऐसे होता है ना एक फैमिली में ऐसे कि नहीं डॉक्टर तब से सिखाया गया होता है तो उसी वजह से लोगों को ऐसे डॉक्टर नाम का बहुत ये रहता है. बट guys really
obsession होता है. Obsession होता है.
PhD, do PhD and get doctor degree. Who is stopping you for that?
Exactly.
Be a original doctor.
Yes.
even MBBS people are actually not. They are not doctors. Doctors
Yes,
are
they are
persons who have
not.
completed their doctorate. So don't go
Yes.
into that
There
type of
are
a.
there are people who are in their first year, second year, or third year who are writing doctor in
Wait,
their
wait,
bios.
wait, 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 wait.
Arey ma'am, like
One
after
second. No,
internship,
no. It's like
whenever
this.
the internship
Frame,
is
frame,
finished,
frame, 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 frame. You are right. फर्स्ट ईयर में एडमिशन लेके स्टैटो लटका हुआ है इंस्टाग्राम पे हैशटैग मेडिको पापा की
Yes,
परी.
सर अब क्या बोले.
this is the
शायद
fact.
सर हमारे टाइम पे ये सोशल मीडिया नहीं था ना, तो वी डिडंट रियलाइज दैट.
नहीं था. I'm happy.
One serious suggestion for all the students who are here. If you have read any book of any author, right from your Chaurasia to Shambulingam to your Harrison to your Davidson to one of the author Vakarnaki, whatever book if you have ever read, nobody is going to put up the name doctor in front of them. आप मुझे एक भी बुक
Yes,
बता दो जिसके सामने डॉक्टर लिखा है, नहीं है.
सही है.
yes.
So you
And people who are watching this, go and buy Dr. Wakar Nakvi's book.
Production.
This is one advice to everyone. And buy the previous one also.
yeah,
This
there's
is the
something.
second one, right?
Can you get
The
some
previous book also.
questions? Yeah, can we get some questions from here? Can you have some
Yeah, we
important
can,
questions?
we can.
We don't want to miss
I
the
can't.
questions.
Okay, wait, I'm just scrolling if I'm finding any.
Important one, Pallavi. Important one, apart from the jokes.
Yeah. No, which should have, your insight actually. It is simple to हम भी insight दे देंगे ना.
Yeah, no questions पढ़ो क्योंकि we need to have a question so that actually we can tell what are the actual thing and a factual thing. Hey, save this live, sir, so that we can share with our colleagues. No, people are going to
Yeah,
ban
we are
us.
going
Don't
to
do
save
that.
this live, so don't
We are
worry.
very different.
People have written
Yes.
thank you for eye-opening talk and
No, no,
Yeah.
उसके ऊपर question थे.
What's our work after
what's your
completing
work
physio?
after completing the physio.
Why you doing physio? That's the work, man.
Do that what you're learning. Do that what you're learning.
What about MPT and job in foreign countries? Okay, MPT is something which safeguard your career, as friends are already spoken on that, so I'm not going to go on that. But job in foreign countries can be either of two things. Okay, there is one more question. Salary can we expect after MSc degree?
MSc degree in PT.
It depends. People are working in 10,000 also, and people are working in 1.5 lakh also. It depends on you how much you can take it up from the market. It's not
Yes.
about the degree. It's about you, man. It's about you how
Yes.
much you can fetch from the market.
So
Don't
your
think.
favorite question has come up.
Yeah, कौन सा?
Our college is not providing us cupping therapy and chiropractic techniques related practicals. What should we do? It is not in your academics, man. Why
It's not in the curriculum. It's not in the curriculum. Why you want to learn it?
Yeah.
Okay, do one thing. Google hijama, HIJAMA. You are going to see old men practicing that thing. It's not into the curriculum, and there is no use of that actually. Even if I tell there are some new therapies, anybody know what is BMAC, bus modulating alternating current? I don't think lot of
No.
people we are going to.
No, I have no idea. No.
Right.
No.
It is Russian current. It is a new name of Russian current, and it is one of the very important current which has been still used. And lot of publication you are going to see on Russian current rather than on the TENS and IFT now.
True.
Right.
Somebody is asking why we are getting less salary than MBBS nurse.
उनकी फीस ज्यादा है ना.
You know what I feel that whatever questions Neha had, Vikas has almost already answered so many questions. Do we have
That's
to,
fine.
Sir, thank you so much for coming in
One
between.
moment,
Question
guys.
is, sir,
See you
ma'am,
next
to
week.
study research in better way.
One thing I always tell even in my workshop for research is the most boring subject ever taught. Research is the most boring subject ever taught, but research is the most interesting subject if you get involved. You have to get
Yes.
involved to learn research. You are not going to, it will be totally yawning. Means if you are going to think कि आप theoretical class करोगे, workshop करोगे, नहीं होता वैसा. Even like I am working as an associate director in a medical college. I am associate director for research. I have observers from medical, dental and other colleges who comes and who work and they learn the research. You cannot do it. if you are just sitting at home and reading some books or having some webinars. It will be a very difficult thing. It is not
But
so easy.
sir, the point is, I have attended your workshop of research, right?
And
Nobody
the
is
basic,
teaching research. Nobody is teaching research in such a way. That is the main issue.
thank you.
I'm,
No,
I'm, I'm being very brutally honest here because whoever is watching, whenever he's going to conduct the next workshop, that is the basic workshop, please go and attend it because he's going to simplify the terms in such a funny way and you will start loving research. And that is the most important thing, right?
Also
Otherwise, you will find
physiotherapy.
it boring.
Also physiotherapy.
Ah, also physiotherapy, yes.
that's the main part.
But that's the point. That's the point. Nobody teaches the research at a basic level, graduation or post-graduation level, in such a amazing way.
Well,
So you
actually, when
should
I
be
had this
conducting that
question
again
to
and again.
Vakar sir, when I was interviewing him, I asked the same question, sir, but like how to like research, and he told me the same thing. Just go in it, do the research, automatically you will
Involve,
learn and you will
involve,
start
involve.
liking it.
It's very easy.
Yes, involve
I
yourself.
usually take workshop once a month. Last month I took in Savita in Chennai, and last month I was having 2 webinars in a month. Maybe in January or in February we are going to put up a workshop, and it covers the basics one. At least if you understand the basic concept about research, research is nothing but it's a process. It's a process to get your answers solved from a simplified process, and when you document it, it becomes your publication. Actually पब्लिक को ना बहुत कंफ्यूजन है कि रिसर्च ऐसा है रिसर्च वैसा ऐसा नहीं है कुछ रिसर्च हम लोग करते हैं बस डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं करते सो आई ट्राई
Yes,
टू पुट अप
documentation is
दैट
a
थिंग्स
problem.
yeah it's a, so finally conclusion is more knowledge is more salary लिख के आया किसी का तो क्या लिखा है पल्लवी
Yes,
finally
मोर
conclusion
नॉलेज इज मोर सैलरी.
same
बट
thing, sir,
ऐसा
same thing.
जरूरी नहीं है. किसी के पास बहुत नॉलेज होता है बट उसको वो देने नहीं आता, प्रेजेंट करने नहीं
exact
आता, तो उसको कैसे सैलरी मिलेगा? यू
knowledge
यू शुड बी
translate
प्रेजेंटेबल. You should be
see
presentable to give that knowledge.
Pallavi,
That's
ask
not the
them,
conclusion.
Pallavi, ask them to see my interview with Prem, in which we have clearly said कि आपका डिग्री, आपके परसेंटेज आपको पैसा और नई सैलरी नहीं देने वाला. It's you, man. It's your competency who's going to pay you.
Yes,
It
your
is always
skills,
Absolutely.
like
your
that.
confidence,
I
how you
even am
present
telling again.
yourself.
Yeah, I'm again
Yes,
telling you again in front of 101 people here. I was a backbencher, man. I never got 60% in life. So what? So my salary, I'm on a very higher side in physio in India now. I'm earning a lot. So it is
But
not all
you
my
were
degree.
you were you were always popular, sir. You were always popular during even the masters. I am your student, I know.
popular for a
You
reason
always
though.
had that, you always had that. That is something I would say it's subjective. Everybody doesn't have that. Either we need to cultivate that by having a mentor like you, where who is talking about all these things, so we are cultivating it in ourselves also. Or maybe someone else who can help us to, walk on that path.
I feel,
Yes,
Pallavi, we should explore ourselves and we should see the reality. If we see the reality and if we actually see how to see that thing in a realistic manner, then only we are going to grow up. So,
That's
whatever
what
I
it
did, yeah.
it depends on ourselves, right? You know me how I was in learning, right? You know me. And from where to
sir.
where I have gone, I am also on a growth path, right? I am also on a growth curve right now. I was not the same what I was in Looney. So
Yeah, true.
it totally depends on ourselves.
My batchmates, they are still in shock that I became physio. So it happens like masters make किसी को नहीं, it happens. So what? It's a past. We cannot, we are not going to put up like that कि यार UG में हम ऐसे थे तो हम PG में वैसे रहेंगे. Or professional life, it changes with the time and you have to adapt. You have to
Yes,
adapt with the time and you have to see what things are coming up. Like for example, if I say now to the people, the research is the next game changer. But physios will still say, yeah, research में क्या job मिलने वाला है. But I'm telling you, right? Mark my word on 8th of January 2022. Research is the next game changer in 10
And
years.
if you want the job, you can join the Human Ed by Dr. Vakar. He is also giving the jobs there.
I am also doing a job, ma'am. I am also working. मैं भी एक labor इंसान हूँ.
sir,
मैं
I'm
भी करता हूँ.
applying. I'm sending you my
Yeah,
CV for that.
no problem. You send me ticket. I'll come to Mangalore and I'll take your interview there.
Okay, done.
Acha, there is one question that, sir, then should we stick to the subjects taught in BPT, then go for MPT, and do not waste any money on workshops?
Exactly. Either I feel, people, they need to remember one more thing when they have to go for their specialty or the master's program. they should see the supervisor, not the college. You have to pick up the masters according to the supervisor. For example,
Exactly, according
I
to the
can
guide.
yes, I can say openly. For example, if you want to learn about orthopedics, go with Khatri sir. If you want to learn about peds neuro, go with Narkish sir. If you want to learn about manual therapy, go with PP Mohanty sir. You have to follow the guide, not the college. If you want to really
Exactly.
learn, yeah.
I
Don't
agree
pick
with
up
Because
you.
after college.
experience
I,
ultimately matters a lot. Doesn't matter like
I agree with you on this guide point because the whole reason I chose Pravra for my masters, and obviously that didn't. I mean, you know the history, right? Then he left, and it was a
True.
fiasco there. But then luckily I got a good mentor after my BP. I mean, after my MPT when I started working. So I was lucky in that part that chalo in MPT I did not get a correct guide. I would say I hope he's not watching this.
No, he won't be on Instagram. Sir is not there. I know.
He's
I
not
talked
there
to
on
him
Instagram,
yesterday.
right?
No, he's not. He's not. He's
Thank
not
God.
going to come for live. Yeah.
Yeah, thank God. So, but I got a good mentor after my MPT when I started working. So that changed the entire,
But
confidence level, talking
Pallavi,
skills, everything.
sir is my mentor, but I never got a chance to actually learn from him. Neither he was with me in the UG and PG. But I still consider sir as a mentor. Abhi kuch bhi problem raha, I still call him. So it
To
is good.
who?
We should
Khatri
have.
sir.
Obviously.
Khatri sir.
Yes.
Khatri, I was extremely fortunate, that I
Yes.
actually learned under him, and everything is, he was the person who actually guided the neuro PGs because we were guideless.
Prem, we should
We had
invite
lot
people
of
like Khatri sir to the sessions seriously when they are going to put up their words in front of the physios. It is more motivating than us. They are actually
but
super
is
physios.
he going to be available to come?
I can talk with them.
I can also talk with him. Let's see.
आ जाएंगे सर आ जाएंगे दिक्कत नहीं है actually they are the super physios we are still the new
Yeah.
physios we are still struggling we are still coming up but the thing is we should have some sort of mentors always होता क्या है ना यार कि it's all about the knowledge gap most of the physios are having about which courses they have to take which college they have to choose how they should go into the professional development अभी जैसे क्वेश्चन आया था are there any courses for professional development फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कोर्स थेरोटिकल होता है प्रोफेशनल डेवलपमेंट आपको आपका एक्सपीरियंस सिखाता है सो यू हैव
yes.
टू कम ऑन टू द मार्केट टू सी हाउ द थिंग्स आर ये किरोरीवाल कोई क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं मैम यस किरोरीवाल यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन लेट्स हैव सम क्वेश्चंस
Neha, you can ask the
Yes, you
question
can
if
ask
you
any
have any
question.
question. You can ask question to Akash sir. Whatever question you have, because Neha is a third year student, so she
अच्छा
can
अच्छा
have more, question from a student base. So if you want, you can ask him a question. Whatever question you
Like,
were about to ask me, maybe you can ask him.
yeah, so I want to ask right now, like, there are many different specialties. So scope क्या है वो सबका? जैसे कि कार्डियोपल्मोनरी का पहले था नहीं, उतने लोगों को पता नहीं था. जैसे ही
बिल्कुल
कोविड आया,
नहीं
boom, वो राइज हो गया. तो
राइट
वैसे ही आप सबको बता दो एक बार.
बहुत सिंपल है इसका आंसर थर्ड ईयर में आपका इंटरेस्ट अलग रहेगा फाइनल ईयर में अलग होगा इंटर्नशिप में अलग जाएगा मास्टर्स किसी अलग सब्जेक्ट में
Yes.
करोगे काम कुछ और करोगे तो जैसे आपने खुद बोला कि कार्डियो का पहले नहीं था अब हुआ था यू डोंट नो आफ्टर 2 years द सिचुएशन विल गो मे बी इनटू द न्यूरो है मे बी इनटू द पब्लिक हेल्थ अगर अब मैं बोलूँ ना कोविड के बाद सबसे ज्यादा किसी का भला हुआ है दैट इज द कम्युनिटी फिजियोथेरेपी एंड द पब्लिक हेल्थ rather than just the cardio to be very honest with you the funding and the research have been increased on the public health sector now after covid after the people understood the value of pandemic and all so I feel
But suppose people, I have a counter question for this specialty thing. Suppose people are confused between, they know that they want to do it in suppose two subjects, ortho and neuro. Suppose it's their interest, for example, and they are confused what to choose, whether to choose ortho or whether to choose neuro. So how they should clear this confusion?
sorry
How they should clear? Okay, suppose people have decided that they are interested in either ortho or neuro, and rest everything they are not, as such interested, but they are confused that whether I should go with ortho or whether I should go with neuro. Now how to choose between these two? What is your answer for that? Am I audible?
yeah
Am I
I
audible?
was get yes so the thing is there are two different things one thing is the interest and one thing is the demand there is interest is the one thing. Even I was interested in sports or in musculo, but I landed in community because the demand was more. So definitely we look forward to see like which are the most suitable branches for our expertise. But the best part of physiotherapy is, let me put up in another way, अगर आप न्यूरो फिजियो हो या anybody is having a musculo physio, तो क्या वो न्यूरो के पेशेंट ट्रीट नहीं करता?
करता
कार्डियो
है, but
फिजियो
sir, don't you think we should be sticking to our lane after the
no, we need still 10-15 years to grow up to that level. We
but
are
we
not into
need to,
that stage.
right?
See,
We
अभी
need
आपको
to,
पता
right?
अभी see we were discussing this thing some minutes before कि यार यहाँ पे फिजियो के पास पेशेंट आता नहीं कि तो उसको फिजियोथेरेपी नहीं पता. हाउ यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग उसको पता है कि आप न्यूरो फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट हो, मुझे आपके पास ही जाना है. यू आर इन मुंबई, दैट्स अ डिफरेंट थिंग. यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग इन अंधेरी एंड सोबो, दैट इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग. बट इफ यू सी अबाउट द अदर प्लेसेस, बट उनको फिजियो नहीं पता, वो थोड़ा देखते कार्डियो में है कि न्यूरो में है कि कम्युनिटी में है, इवन बीपीडी है कि नहीं है. So it will take time, but उसके पहले we need to make up that time कि the physiotherapy should grow up, the professional should grow up first, then only we can talk on these things. तो अभी उसको लाने के लिए अभी जो हमने जिस चीज पे हमने बात स्टार्ट की थी, the physio should first understand the value, importance, and they should be aware about the what is physiotherapy. Where do you get initial fund for building a good research? There is a question from Soham.
Yes.
Soham, it's all about your proposal idea and concept. You can even put up your proposal if you have, if you want grant. You can put up your proposal first, get that thing published as a protocol. You can apply for ICMR, and there are lot of different agencies which actually give funds. So, but it has to be something very much important for the society. Then only you're going to get for the funds. Either it's
Yes.
intramural or extramural. It depends on that.
Sir, I want to ask one more question because I think you are the right person. Like digital learning, जो चीज हम लोग को कॉलेज में सिखाते नहीं वो सीखे कहाँ? Because we need a guide for that. So like insight दे दो इसके बारे में digital learning.
See, digital learning बोल रहे हो, e-learning बोल रहे हो, distance education बोल रहे हो, पहले ये clear करो.
Digital learning and the things which are not taught in college but we should know as a physio and like वो guide भी एक अच्छा चाहिए उसके लिए.
Okay, I'll put up an example for this. There are a lot of institutes who have a short-term research projects as well as they have the value-added courses. For example, in Manipal or maybe in GNDU or another places, they have 2 or 3 months के small courses where you can go. Like, yeah, this is a very good point I can add up here in this. Like जो physios होते हैं ना, जो they just finish their internship and they go out in the market.
We can't hear you. You're not audible.
Yeah, you can hear
Yeah.
me now? I'm audible
Yes,
now?
yes.
Yes.
So first
Yes, sir.
thing, they think like they should go with the observership. So rather than going for observership, I feel the physio should go as a research assistant or take a small 2 or 3 month courses into good universities and organization if they want to do CPD. What you are is a CPD, continuing professional development. So
Yeah.
rather than opting for an observership or 5,000 rupees ka job, you better go for 2 or 3 months. You can even go abroad also. I went to Hong Kong for 15 days as a research assistant in Hong Kong HKPU because I was having 1 month vacation. So without coming to India, I directly went there for 15 days. So you should know where you have to hit up. It's better you go into some good colleges where they have that expertise. For example, if you learn about artificial intelligence, you should go with the colleges who are already having that setup of artificial intelligence
Yes.
and all. If you really want to learn about the mobilization, you can opt for PP Mohanty sir. You can request them in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Okay, sir, can I come for 15 days as your assistant and can I learn with that? This time
So
you
in
don't need
Mangalore
any
also is
certificate.
teaching.
Yeah, that is true. So it's on you
Okay.
actually. It's on actually
Oh.
you should understand where you have to strike about. I won't suggest you to go with the workshop, not all, but there are some actually very good resource person like Diana Pinto, like Ganeshan sir. They are treasure of knowledge. They are going to actually teach you up a lot of things. So you should be aware, like if you want to learn CPD, continuing professional development courses, where you have to go. So you have to ask your seniors for it. It will be much more better option.
But sir,
Okay.
now as we
How?
are in digital era, like this is a digital era where we can get everything on our hands, right? So why
Yep.
can't we get all these informations on our hands? That's what I think. That's the demand of era, and we
Yeah.
should have
That's what
that
I
for
was
that
going to
also.
ask. That's what I was going to ask.
Just one, let me answer one question. How do you manage equilibrium between clinical and research? It's the same thing. You don't have to manage. Clinical and research is go hand in
Document
hand.
it. It will become.
It's all
It will create
documentation.
a bridge.
Yeah.
Yes.
We can have one session later on next week on this about how we are going to
Sure.
put up an equilibrium, and it's not a difficult task.
Done.
MPD musculo, there was some more question on that. So I hope, Neha, I answered like what you wanted to know.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
So as Prem sir was asking you right now, like this is the digital era. So what's
Yeah.
your advice or suggestion? Like how should we grow as a
Yes.
physio, like by using all this social media?
Or
Right
how
now,
can
the
we use
people are
it? How
demanding
can
that
we
they
use
should
it
get a
more?
relaxation on the hand.
But you know one thing, we have to, if I want to use the equilibrium word better way, we cannot
Mm-hmm.
put up everything virtually because physiotherapy is a skill-based program and our profession is skill-based. So the thing is, if
Yeah.
we want to actually maintain an equilibrium, if we are learning something digitally, we need to practice it. When we practice it, we see its efficacy. When we see its efficacy, it is perfect or not. When we document it, it becomes your research. So everything is
Right.
interconnected if I am connecting all the past 4 questions in this. So it's a total equilibrium about each and everything.
Okay.
But how can we use these social media platforms where we are connected right now? Where we are connected right now, almost like 100, people are watching us, and there are so many comments going on. How can we use it more efficiently, according to you?
I think Pallavi, the first thing is like we should start with the awareness programs within the physios first. This has to be the
Yeah.
first step. There is one question about passionate physios. Sir, for PhD in physiotherapy, which field is good? Orthopedic neuro. In PhD, there is nothing as ortho, neuro, cardio, community, something. It's PhD in physiotherapy. You have to take
Okay, I'm
physical
sorry to
education.
interrupt you. I'm sorry to interrupt you. There is a comment for you, Waqar sir. Waqar sir, आप कहाँ बिना मास्क के घूम रहे हो?
मैं कहाँ घूम रहा हूँ ये कौन था ये देखो मास्क जो है
This
ना
is
ये
Himanshi.
ये
This is Himanshi. She's asking Waqar sir, आप कहाँ बिना मास्क के घूम रहे हो?
सर
ये
इतने
मैं
एक्साइटेड
यू
है
नो
हमारे लाइव को ज्वाइन करने
प्रेम
के लिए कि रास्ते में
आई
गाड़ी
नो
रोक के रुक गए
हिमांशी
सर.
आई नो हिमांशी वेरी वेल सी तो ये मैं हूँ ये मेरा मास्क है ये मेरी कार है और मैं रास्ते पे खड़ा हूँ
But it is so, thank you so much, Waqar sir, that you are
थैंक यू
actually
गाइस
answering the questions. And
थैंक यू
Neha, you can ask the
I
second
have one
question again to me.
last question. Like
वन मोर
this is
क्वेश्चन
the
लास्ट वन
I don't. Yes, yes,
चला
yes. Yes. So I and Pallavi ma'am also we were discussing like प्रेम सर ने भी बोला कि क्या सुपर फिजियोस मतलब जो बहुत पहले से वो तो अभी कुछ हेल्प ही नहीं कर रहे. बट आई एम ऑल्सो सीइंग लाइक जो कि पल्लवी मैम और प्रेम सर के साथ जो फिजियोस है जो कि मेरे सुपर फिजियोस है वो लोग छोटा छोटा ग्रुप बना के एज अ कंपटीशन कर रहे हैं. मतलब इंस्टेड ऑफ हेल्पिंग एंड स्प्रेडिंग अवेयरनेस वो लोग ऐसे कर रहे करके क्या जैसे कि कंपटीशन है नहीं हम लोग को तुमसे आगे आना है. एंड दैट टू नॉट इवन पेशेंट वाला थिंग सोशल मीडिया लाइक विच डजंट इवन मैटर आज है कल नहीं रहेगा.
Yeah.
So
This point
growth
actually I
nothing.
had discussed with Neha.
growth
I had
growth
discussed
is
this
always together
point with Neha because
growth is always
I feel,
together it's always a teamwork
Hmm. Because
yeah.
there are
So
many self-coaching right now
I
of
have
my
found
capability.
2, 3 groups within this social media environment of physios, and it's a reality, sir. Okay, because maybe you are not so much, you are not a content creator, right? We all are content creators also, along with physios. So there is this Ajib competition going on between all the content creators on the social media platform कि उन लोगों का एक ग्रुप है जैसे स्पोर्ट्स वालों का एक ग्रुप है and they will never promote anything if besides sport if anything is put people are putting anything they are not giving that what you say encouragement to the other physios who are trying to do something else and it's a reality people are divided into different groups on social media and that's why also see there will be a follower like suppose for example me who is following everybody for example Neha is a student right now she must be following everybody and she must be finding it very difficult to join all the dots because we are not working together we are in a group of cluster of people
right
so how we should be we should help people like
I think
Neha
this
for
is
example
something
who
we
are
can
students.
ignore rather
Yeah, like
than
students, any
thinking
एग्जैक्टली
about
आई
it.
वाज
thing
टेलिंग
which you want to
सी
say.
सी सी पता है जब हम लोग काम करना साथ में शुरू करते हैं व्हेन वी सी अबाउट द ग्रोथ व्हेन वी रिमूव द इनसिक्योरिटी everything goes well. Don't think about the people who are actually not looking for the growth of the profession. Let them enjoy
because
their own space. Let them
because the
enjoy
thing
their
is,
own bubble.
whatever we do, there will be somebody to
Pull you
speak
down,
about
yeah.
it, also
Pull you
say
down also.
let's say pull it down. But it's just the thing, if you feel we are doing right, then we should continue with it rather than thinking
Exactly.
about all these things.
No, let's do our work now. Let
Yes.
not be bothered about what other people are doing. Let's be happy with our own work. The problem is, I'll just submit it with one line and I'll just take a leave. You should compete with yourself. Then only you are going to grow. If you are competing
Yeah.
with others, you are going to lose at the first stop. So that is why
Waqar
we
sir
should
is
be
really a
happy.
legend. No one can hit Waqar sir.
No, no, it's not like that. But like, I'm
I
still
learned a
struggling
lot
to
in today's life.
Thank you, guys. So the thing is, my bottom line is, fight with yourself, struggle with yourself, and have a competition with yourself. Then only you are going to grow. If you fight with
Yes.
others, at the same time you lost. You're not going to get
True.
grow up.
True.
So
True. True.
thank you,
True.
guys. We'll see you around. I need to go
Thank
up.
you so much. We are so glad
हिमांशी,
to have
थैंक
you.
यू हिमांशी, मेरी नौकरी से अभी मैं घर जा रहा हूँ, बस इन लोग को लाइव देखा था तो मेरे को लगा कि यार अपने लोग हैं, रुक जाना चाहिए. Now I am going home, and next time I'll be in a room with a cozy room with a proper lights, and we'll see you around for that.
The next time
Thank
we'll
you, guys.
inform
Okay,
you
and
priorly, and
one
so that you
last
can
point,
join
Waqar
on the
sir.
first.
One last point to Waqar sir from my side. Reply on Wednesday. He knows.
Yeah,
He knows that.
thank you in advance. I'll text you first this time on Wednesday.
Just reply on Wednesday,
Okay,
okay?
okay, Prem. We both share a same birthday on 12th of January. So that she's saying about it, at least reply on
Oh,
Wednesday.
Okay. Okay.
wow.
Got it.
Okay,
See,
thank you in
legends are
advance.
born on 12 Jan.
See, Himanshi is saying, Pallavi, ma'am, you are looking so beautiful. Now understand, huh? Chalo.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you,
you,
everyone. Have a
Himanshi.
nice
Bye,
day.
sir. Have
Thank
a
you,
safe
guys.
drive.
Thank you so
Bye,
much, sir.
sir.
Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
so
Thank you, man. Thank you,
much.
sir. Thank you,
I
guys.
think you need to disconnect from your end. We are continuing
Yes.
our live, right?
Yeah, we are continuing.
We are continuing our live, right?
If
So I
anybody is
think
having any
we
questions,
any
we can
other
continue.
questions than whatever we have discussed. It was such a pleasant surprise that he joined us,
Yes.
and I think people must have got almost
Every
questions. I
answer
mean
to like
answers
what
for
they
all.
have. I think.
Yeah.
He answered most of the question, or I can say like all of the questions which we
Neha,
had.
do you have anything else besides whatever we have discussed for me and Prem?
Yeah, no, but sir answered all the questions. I don't
It's
know
beyond
like what
that
to
what we have
ask right
delivered
now.
already.
Even I got to like learn so many things, like new things, CPE, CPD, then many more things.
And I think we must take insights from him. It was we should have taken it earlier also.
No,
Anyway, but
definitely. And Pallavi, as I told you before, also there are people like Vakar sir who can give us like so many inputs for our lives, and maybe they are not on social media, but they can really help us, like everyone.
so maybe
So we
it
will
is
try to
our
find
responsibility to
those people as well.
bring him on the social media platforms to talk, so that
Yes.
more people can benefit from such talks. There is one
Yeah.
interesting question here, that any suggestions for fellowship or MPT in oncology physiotherapy. So
Any
do you
suggestion
have any
on?
idea, Prem, whether any good university is providing that
Oncology,
MPT in
physiotherapy,
oncology?
I think there are some good places where it is going on. Like if you talk
In
about
Tata,
right now in Bangalore.
Bombay, they definitely have Tata Bombay. They definitely have a fellowship program, and it is definitely good because one of my senior is an oncology, specialist, and she's working there in Tata, and she's also one of the resource person for conducting these fellowship programs. So,
Mhm.
and they are doing it within the hospital with the patient. So it's a very practical based kind of a thing. But I don't know whether MPT oncology is there any university which is providing?
No, it's not yet started, but only fellowships are going on wherever they have oncology departments, they have exposure. They are giving fellowship for all the healthcare professions, those whoever are interested to work in oncology.
People are saying, please save today's live. It's in Neha's hand, dude.
Yeah,
It's
it's
in
in Neha's
Neha's
hand.
hand.
If Neha is saving, then it's fine. Otherwise, we will have another discussion.
I
Yeah,
hope
but
it gets
but
saved.
no, she will save it. Don't worry,
Yeah,
she will
yeah,
definitely save it.
Yes.
Any other question, Neha? Can you scroll and see if at all any other question is there? What We
Middle class
discussed
boy
till
can do
now.
physiotherapy job in foreign. It is normal. Yeah, it is normal to do anywhere. We are not saying anything is bad, anything is good. We are just saying that stick to your profession, love your profession, work in your profession, and then everything is good. Whether it is foreign, India,
But
anywhere.
if you are planning to go abroad, you need to have some, a particular financial background, definitely. So, and obviously the work experience, because some of the countries they need, a 2 year or a 3 year work experience before shifting your base to, that country. So you need to have some kind of financial, backup to go there and maybe settle yourself or start working there. So
Yeah,
that is
for that we can
definitely
have a
so.
separate discussion, I feel, about
Correct.
talking about the like abroad and everything. We will have a separate discussion for that. And I think we have one comment. Ashish is saying that MGM University has MPT in oncology. So if somebody is looking for that,
Oh,
then
okay.
please follow that.
Okay, that's nice. I didn't have any idea about that.
Even I
Any
didn't
other
know
questions
about
you
MGM,
can?
but if you're saying, then it's a good.
Should radiology be included in our curriculum, as many physios lack knowledge or somehow neglected? We do have, right? I mean, though not
Yes, I think we
radiology as a
have.
separate
We
topic,
have.
separate subject, but they do teach at the graduation level. Because at least in my university, they taught
Yes,
at
even
least the basic things, the basic things about X-rays, and obviously USG and MRI and CT was not taught. But basic things, obviously, they teach at the graduation level also. But you can
yes,
always ask the doctors, right? You can always ask your seniors who are in the radiology department in your college. They will obviously help you. The residents who are studying radiology, they will obviously help you.
and it is already there in physiotherapy curriculum. So yes, you can learn it from your staff and seniors.
There's a question for me that please tell some best colleges for physio in Mumbai. In Mumbai, I think in my opinion, KEM is actually very good because they have a good patient flow. So KEM, Sai and Nair, they are like the best colleges. Nair, of course, is really good for neuro as well because, as Vakasa said, the guide is good there. Terna is also good because Dr. Sudeep Kale is there in Terna. So that's also one dynamic college. KJ Somaya is also good. I'm not very sure about MGM, and there are two, three other, right? Nets College, and there are two, three other colleges in Mumbai. I'm not very sure about that. But in private, Terna is definitely good, and KJ Somaya is also good.
So, ma'am, due to time restriction, we have to end live soon. So, before ending the live, I want to
Yes.
ask one question to each of you. So, जैसे कि आप academics में हो बहुत पहले से, and पहले भी आप college में पढ़ाते थे. Now you are in Mangalore. So, like actually में scope क्या है academics में?
Academics में scope काफी अच्छा है. If you love teaching, if you are like interested in mentoring other students about physiotherapy, and talking about like scope in sense of like financial scope and all, definitely it's a very good scope, because as you gain your experience, as sir said, as you are in more into research, you're publishing all your work what you're doing, and also if you're interested, you are doing your PhD, then definitely you have a very good scope in academics level. But yes, it is not like you are in academics, so you are not doing your I'll not say clinical, but you are not doing your physiotherapy work.
Correct.
Okay,
We have
Yeah,
to be
so
very
it's
particular
not that.
about our terminologies. Yes.
Yes, so
yeah,
it's
no.
not that we are not doing physiotherapy. We are also doing physiotherapy work along with the. It's just that matter of fact is the main advantage. What I feel being in academics is that your knowledge is always fresh because you keep on repeating it. That's the main advantage of being in academics. So that anytime if you ask me about BD Chaurasia also, you ask me about exercise therapy, Kismer also, I know which chapter, which I'm not saying which page number, but at least which chapter where that line
Yeah.
will be there and all. So that knowledge will be fresh, so you can apply it directly on your patients whenever you're seeing them. So that way it is like, I feel that way academics is a better field.
But I just have like, since you are the from an academic background, because I'm not teaching in the universities. Okay, I'm teaching otherwise, like whenever I'm interacting with people, I'm teaching. Otherwise, I was interested in academics very, very passionately, but I did not get the opportunity to go in that direction. So everybody is not a teacher, right? Everybody cannot be a teacher. This is my personal opinion. That I think Prem is just his live is paused. I
Yes,
think I don't know.
I guess so. He's having network issue.
Yeah, but then I'm just putting this point in front of whoever people are watching us, that see, everybody is not a teacher. You need to have, I think it's teaching is a skill to go to that root level and, to connect with your, he disconnected. I think you need to add him back, I
Yeah,
think.
I guess he was having network issue.
Yeah, or maybe he must have got a call. I don't know.
Yeah. No, let me accept his request again. I guess so.
Yeah, because that thing I really wanted to ask him as a person who is
Mm-hmm.
in the academics.
Ma'am, can you sing? Yeah, he's there.
Yeah,
Sir?
Prem,
Sorry,
I
guys,
have a
am I
question for
audible?
you. Am I audible to you?
Yes, audible.
See, since we were talking about the academics right now, I just wanted to tell you that see, everybody is not a teacher, right? Everybody doesn't have that
Right.
skill to teach, to go to that root level to connect with the students. Because I have seen that in every university, we have that one favorite teacher. And why he is favorite or she is favorite? Because they are connecting so much with us and they are
Yes.
connecting to our level to teach us. So everybody doesn't
True.
have that skill. So
Right.
how we can think to become an academician or to go in the academics if we think that we don't have that skill, we cannot talk or we don't have that skill to connect with the students. How one can decide that?
Where I take it very simple. See, the thing is, yes, definitely we have to connect with the student, and it is like you are connecting with younger generation. Like once you complete your masters,
He
He is
I don't know
having
what
network
is he
issue.
doing and where is he sitting. His network is going like anything or whether he's getting the call. I have no idea. Such a good point he was discussing.
I want to add like few points about him that he is very popular like in between students and he explains
I
so well.
know.
Like as a student, I can
I
say
know
like I
Neha
like
told
the
me
people
this thing that Prem sir is like, sensation.
he explains very nicely and the pause he takes like वो हड़बड़ा के जल्दी जल्दी नहीं बोलते वो धीरे धीरे आराम आराम से अच्छे से बोलते हैं.
Yeah, he's very calm and composed. True.
guys, I'm
You
listening, but
need,
I think I'm like coming very blur or like, am I audible?
now it is okay. Now
Yes,
it is
yes.
okay.
Okay. So thank you so much for praising me before this.
You are audible. You can talk about your point.
Okay, fine. I think my only thing is not working properly, but I'll say that, see, in academics, basically, as you said, yes, we have to connect with the students. And for that, the only one quality is that you have to think like, okay, how easy we can make the things. Like, let's say biomechanics subject, it is like, if you read it first time, it becomes very boring. Like first page only, if I'm reading, it is like, okay, I don't want to read further. But if you just give examples of daily routine activities in that and explain it to the students, they will connect with it. Okay, yes, because sit to stand activity everybody does in the like their daily routine activities. And with sit to stand, if you're explaining them axes and planes and also like muscle activation, concentric muscle activation, eccentric muscle activation, they'll be very happy to learn that way, and that they will remember for all the time. So if you understand that yes, you have got that skill, that you will make others understand what you are trying to explain, then you should go for the academics. Like one simple example, what I do is, if you want to explain axes and planes, take an apple and cut it 4 ways. Okay, so this is your sagittal plane, this becomes your frontal plane, and if I cut it like this, it becomes a transverse plane. So it is like every time you cut a fruit, you will remember, okay, this is sagittal, this is frontal, this is transverse. So same way, like small examples, what we do in everyday activities, and if you try to explain physiotherapy in that way, and if you know that you can do that, definitely you should go for the academics. That's what I wanted to say.
I agree.
Yes.
Ma'am, I
Correct.
had a question for you. As
Okay.
you are practicing like since 8 years, last 8 years, and you are not into like totally आप academics में नहीं हो. So
Yes.
BPT के बाद clinic मतलब patients को treat करना या फिर MPT के बाद कुछ ऐसा point है which you want to add or like आपने कैसे किया? For example, once you told me about this story that you joined a hospital and उधर physiotherapy पूरा था ही नहीं OPD. Then you built it from
Yeah.
zero.
Yeah.
So
So
ऐसा
that
कुछ है
was
जो
that was that was after my BPT. After my internship, I always wanted to do MPT. Okay, so but I had like 6 to 7 months to kill after my BPT, and I thought I am not going to sit at home and just prepare for the exams. It's better. I started working at least part time, just to gain the experience. Then I went to this particular hospital, which was nearby to my home, in my hometown in Aurangabad. And I told him that I'm a physiotherapist, and it was an orthopedic setup. And I told him that I am a physiotherapist, and you might benefit, having a physiotherapy in your particular nursing home. And there was no physio in that nursing home at all, being a completely orthopedic setup. So then he said, "Yeah, we'll give it a try." And we decided the terms. And when I entered the room, there was nothing. There was only one examination table and one normal table and chair, and there was absolutely nothing. And then I was, after my BPT, I was absolutely fresh. And then I thought that, suppose this is my clinic, and what will I do? I want to start a setup. Suppose, what will I do? Then I had a conversation with some of my seniors, and we discussed certain things, and then entirely organized that physio department there. And we decided the terms, that this will be the charge, how much they will pay me and how much I have to give it to them on a percent basis. I decided everything. I read about it. That time there was no Google and stuff like that. It is back in 2011, I'm talking about 2012. So then, after trial error, so many things for that, whatever 2 3 months I did. But it was a great experience because it gave me that, leadership boost, I would say. Because everything was on my head, and then I wanted to
yes,
give my best. So, I actually went and, what do you say, I was exposed to that situation, and that is the reason it made me kind of confident to set up a
yeah.
place and, to treat the patients individually. So I, used to go back home, read about it, talk to some of the seniors, study for the master's exam as well. So that is the reason I'm saying that what you choose, no, it is very important after BPT. So life is all about the choices you make. I got a job opportunity in Breach Candy, and I got a job opportunity in Bombay Hospital. I ditched Breach Candy. It is the most elite hospital in Bombay right now, and Bombay Hospital is obviously very good, but Breach Candy has that celebrity base and all of that. But I ditched that because I wanted to work only in neuro. I just wanted to do neuro work, and that I had an opportunity in Bombay Hospital. So my salary was extremely low, and I still chose that. I still chose it over Breach Candy. And it made me who I am right now, right? So whatever salary I was getting, it was peanuts. Trust me, Prem, it was peanuts. But I still decided to give it a
I
thought,
know
and
that.
I worked there for 5 years in the
Yeah.
shitty salary. But then
No, but that's fine.
I had so many contacts there, right?
Connection.
So whatever opportunity you're getting, don't look at it as a you're getting a poor pay there, or low pay scale. But if you're getting a good mentorship, you're able to learn, then give it a try at least for a year, and then when you'll pick up the practice, you will earn like anything. So money will definitely always come if you are doing that hard work. So I
And
think
I
that's
think that's
my.
what this everybody needs to understand who are coming like as a young physios to work as a physiotherapy, that on the very first day don't expect to earn money. Very first day your
Exactly.
expectation should be like learning. Learn first.
Mm-hmm.
Become confident first, and then you expect some money.
Absolutely, because I am earning 10 times more right now than what I have started, and obviously I'm not going to give
Yes.
details about my earnings here, but I'm definitely doing very good. And it's not because I'm in Bombay and like how Wakash have put that you are in Bombay and you're seeing sober patients. No, I have seen patients who are I have seen patients who are paying me $200. I have seen that also in Bombay. Bombay is like this and like this. So you have a absolutely poor economic status also, and people who will
Yes.
pay you like anything also. So
Yes.
I have seen, plethora of patients from both the backgrounds. And that's not because they were ready to pay me, chalo yaar, 200 रुपए में क्या treatment देने का. No, I wanted to give them the service. So you need to have that attitude at the start of your career. And
Yes.
if you join the hospital, nothing like it. Even if you're getting an observership, nothing like it. You need to have a acute care, what you say, experience. That's what my personal opinion is. Especially if you are a neurophysio, whoever is watching, if you all are anybody neurophysio here, you need to have an acute care exposure. Without that, you will never understand how to manage your subacute to chronic cases. So acute is really good, really must, and it will change the entire perspective as a physio.
Right.
Yeah, but it was a fun life. It was a fun life.
Yeah, ma'am. But sadly, we have to wind up now. But I'm so glad
Yes.
that you guys were there, and even Vakasa joined. I learned so many things, and I hope even the audience learned many things. And even the new topics we got for like rest of the live sessions, like for Saturdays, like research, those workshops, like cupping therapy, ma'am, your favorite
We have
topic.
so many things to
And
discuss.
yeah. And even that CPD for the development of the physios, then physiotherapy for physios, like many new
Yes.
topics. Yeah, I
So
hope
we are
you
we are
all
gonna
learned.
we are gonna come live next Saturday again. Obviously, with different topic and different people who will be giving their insights. So whoever has watched this, whoever is watching currently, please join us next Saturday also. We will try to keep it at the same time. But if at all there is any change, then we will let you know. We will obviously put up on our handles also about the Saturday live,
Yes,
and we will come back with a great topic again to change
And do
the.
send your questions, whatever you want to ask in our DM, so that even we can work on it and
Yeah,
try to answer you in that next live sessions.
yes, it was a great session. Thank you again, Vakar sir. I don't know if he's watching or he's gone, but thank you so much, Vakar sir, for your insights, and it really, really helped all of us to, put up our points. He actually did our work, Prem, isn't it?
Yes. He made our work easy.
Yeah, very easy, very easy. But thank you so
All
much.
right,
Yeah.
guys. Thank you
So,
so much.
Neha, save
See
this
you.
live.
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Save this live
Thank
and
you so much, sir. Thank
be
you so much,
be
ma'am.
calm when you're saving this live. Be calm when you disconnect. Be calm and
Yes,
touch on the save live. Okay?
yes, ma'am.
All right, guys.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
Yeah.
bye
now
bye.
I'm
Bye bye,
ending this
Okay.
Neha.
live.
Thank you so much. Bye,
Bye
Pallavi.
bye.
Thank you
Bye.
so
Bye.
much.
Thank you so much.
See
Bye
you
bye.
all, guys. Thank you. Yeah.
Bye
Thank you.
bye.
Thank you.